Hi, this is Jordan over at SciTools back with another power user tip. So today we're going to be talking about something that was introduced with Understand 7.0 called the list browser. This powerful tool streamlines your code exploration and makes it easier to navigate complex code bases by giving you the ability to organize and manage chains of references. So to access the list browser, we simply have to go to View in the top menu and press List Browser. From here, if we encounter a reference or a complex tree of references, all we have to do is hover over the reference to see these double check marks. And if you see these double check marks, it means that it can be added to the list browser. And to add it to the list browser, we simply have to click the double check mark. So by default, your references and chains of references get added to this list named default. But if we want to add our own list, we can press the plus button in the top left and then rename it. So let's name this one Needs Attention. And this is going to be our blue flag. So with Needs Attention selected, all we have to do is add a few references. And then if we hover over the references in the list browser, we can color them with a flag. So we'll use that for blue, and we'll add a new one, rename it Problematic. This will be our orange flag. So we'll select that, and we'll add a few more references, and we will color these ones orange. And then finally, let's add another list and call it Complete. These are references that we'll have reviewed in our code review or have already been refactored, so there's no need to go back to them. So let's add the definition to Complete, and we will give this one the green flag. Now from here we can really see that we've already organized our references pretty well, but we can also hide any references that we don't want to see. So let's get rid of the complete ones, and then we'll put them back. And then we can even filter out the unflagged references. So if we click the white flag here, it'll just remove any of the unflagged ones. And don't forget, we can also add complete chains of references or complete call trees or called by trees, anything like that. So if we go to the top level calls references here, we can add that entire set to the Needs Attention list. There's a lot of practical applications for this list browser. It's perfect for debugging, like tracking progress and identifying issues, monitoring references, creating focused lists for reviews, and even visualizing consequences of modifying specific pieces of code. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you want to learn more about the list browser or anything else in Understand, simply visit support.scitools.com.